Now we're going to talk a little bit about sausages. You know, sausages is about 2,000 years old. It's derivative from the word sauces, which is Latin for salt. And you got to realize back in the day, they didn't have no refrigerator or anything like that. They didn't have no ice coolers, so they had to whip salt into their meats to preserve it. So that's how they got things done back in the day. Now, you know, back in American history, you know, hey, we got plenty of sausages. Sausages come from all parts of the world and represents different parts of the regions. Like, hey, we got the German sausages, Knockwurst, Bratwurst, and all that stuff. Hey, we got to remember the New Yorkers up top over there. They love them Italian sausages. Down south, they love them Louisiana sausages. What we're working with here today, which is my daddy's favorite. And these, you know, are special to me because this reminds me of back home, back in '74. When my daddy, you know, got that paycheck and he got a little box of sausages and he had a little barbecue, invited some friends back over. So what I'm gonna do is invite you back to my daddy and then barbecue back in the day and show you how to make these little bad puppies.